Muling sasabak ang National Women's Tennis Team International Stage sa magaganap na 2025 Billie Jean King Cup sa Malaysia, kung saan aasintahin nila ang pag-akyat sa mas mataas na group stage. Para sa detalye, narito ang report ni teammate Paulo Salamatin.
Magsisimula ng sumabak ang Philippine Women's Tennis Team sa 2025 Billie Jean King Cup Asia-Oceania Group 2 na gaganapin sa National Tennis Center sa susunod na linggo sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Binubuo ng mga batikang collegiate at junior tennis stars. Haharap ang national team sa mabigat na laban sa 6 na araw na torneo. Ang dalawang pinakamagagaling na koponan ang magkakaroon ng pagkakataong umangat sa Group 1. Pangunahan ni former national tennis team mainstay at two-time Southeast Asian Games Mixed Doubles Champion na si Denise D bilang head coach ng koponan na kinabibilangan ni na Alexa Miliam, Shaira Rivera, Tenny Madis at Steffi Aludo. Sa naganap na Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum kamakailan, nagbigay ng pahayag ang mga Pinay tennis stars na lalahok sa nasabing torneo.
This is my first time playing Billie Jean King Cup po, so I'm so excited to play mo. At gagawin po namin invest na manalo po.
Feeling ko po may chance kami na manalo kasi kilala din namin yung mga players ng other countries. So, I think, kasi nakita ko paano kami training today, I think may chance po kami na mag-level up.
We'll just do our best para manalo po for this Billie Jean King Cup po.
Sa ngayon, inaantabayanan pa ng Pilipinas ang mga makakaharap nito sa draw na gaganapin ngayong linggo, kung saan may 10 bansa na hahatiin sa dalawang grupo na kabilang ang Indonesia, Uzbekistan, Iran, Malaysia, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Northern Mariana Islands, Pacific Oceania at Singapore. Matatandaan noong Disyembre, pinangunahan ni Alex Ayala ang pag-akyat ng Pilipinas sa Group 2 matapos ang 3 taong suspensyon ng International Tennis Federation na nagwakas na noong Enero ng nakarang taon.
So admittedly, we have a lot to work on. Like, we have a lot to catch up on. As you know, Alex Ayala pretty much made it on her own, right? And it takes a lot to succeed in tennis. But on the part of the field, we have started. So, you know, the tennis takes a long time. We're starting to support our players as best as we can, getting programs going, getting teams together, trying to do it better, as Denise was saying, and like Bob was saying, Antoinette, we're so happy that she's with Hilda because she's like really on top of a lot of the details which need to be taken care of, things like, you know, like uniforms and just scheduling and flights and getting players. So we can say that we are committed to really grow and develop our women's team.
Samantala, hindi makakasali sa Ayala sa torneo dahil abala ito sa kanyang international commitments, kabilang ang kasulukuyang ginaganap na WTA 125 Lexus Open. Paulo Salamatin para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.